Hey everybody, it is Harlan here, and I'm going to be talking to you about the chat revolution and how you can add the power of AI to your website. You will be absolutely amazed when you discover what the combination of AI and your website can do for your bottom line. What's a revolution? Well, there are a couple of definitions. One is a sudden, radical, or complete change. The other is a fundamental change in the way of thinking about or visualizing something. It's a change of paradigm or a changeover in use or preference, especially in technology. And that is what we are dealing with today. So welcome. I'm glad you're here. And we're talking about AI, or artificial intelligence. Now, although it's been around for a while, it's a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers, or the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. Now, we've all seen movies about AI, and AI is taking over the world, like in war games and starting wars. Every single movie that talks about artificial intelligence describes it as being evil. But that's not what we are dealing with. We're talking about AI revolutionizing what we have today. So, November 30th, 2022 will go down in history because that was the day Chat-GPT was released to the public. It was front page news in every single newspaper, probably in the world. Within days, it has rewritten rules for entire professions. We'll talk more about this shortly. But ChatGPT literally cannot keep up with the demand. People were locked out of ChatGPT for days. Now, everyone, absolutely everyone, wants in on the AI game. Bing added OpenAI chat to their search results. They were the first. Google has created Bard. Google is redoing their search results to put AI results at the top. Amazon has added AI to their sites to make more sales. Microsoft is adding AI to all of their software. Adobe doing the same thing. Apple is adding their own AI. Every major news site now uses AI to generate stories. Google is even offering an AI to news editors to write their stories. There is insatiable demand for AI products. If we could stamp apples as AI, there would be a run on apples in the supermarket. People want to understand it. People want to know more. People want to know how to use it. And chat is revolutionizing our world, even though it's only been around for a few months. Coding, programming, art, robotics, law, medicine, travel, SEO, copywriting, customer service, marketing, education, sales, content creation. Now, chat is doing great, but it's not perfect. And don't think it's perfect, or you'll be like the lawyer in New York who was arguing a simple case and decided to have chat do all the research for him, but it came out with inaccurate information and cited a whole bunch of cases that didn't exist, and the judge knew it and threw the book at the lawyer. That's using chat stupidly. Sorry about this cough. But I'm going to show you why that's not going to happen to you. AI is a major disruptor in the world today. People are losing their jobs as companies cut costs. Like, the New York Times just fired its entire sports reporting staff. Why? Because they can have AI do the jobs, right? The entire software industry is being rewritten to become more efficient. It's being rewritten by chat, not by programmers. Customer service, even with voice, is both eliminating jobs and improving the customer experience. Walk into a store, go over to a terminal, and have the terminal greet you, even by name, and talk about what's going on and ask you questions and answer them. All of this is already happening. In fact, just like the movie War Games, many countries are turning over parts of their military to AI, which sounds kind of insane. This proves the world cannot get enough of AI. Now, here's the problem. Most people have no idea how to fully use ChatGPT. And that is giving it a bad name. So part of the problem is that the interface that they are using doesn't give them directions or tell them what to do. They get bad results because nobody ever taught them how to use it. Happening every single day. So I asked ChatGPT, what would adding ChatGPT to a WordPress website do? And it answered, well, it would improve customer service. It would automate it. It would customize it. It would provide clear, quick, and accurate answers to customer queries 24/7. How many times have you gone to a website and gone to chat, you type in your question, and you don't hear the answer back for 3 days? Imagine if your customer service team is working 24/7 with accurate answers, finding out when people's orders were shipped, what's going on, giving them tracking numbers, answering questions about your programs, telling them how to access or download something. All of these things can happen today. And imagine the feedback that you will get when your site is really able to have excellent customer service. How about an enhanced user experience? There's a conversational interface for users to interact with your website, making the user experience more engaging and intuitive. Like you have a site on gardening, and people come to your site and they went, okay, I live in California. When is the best time for me to plant azaleas? And instead of looking for hundreds of articles about azaleas, they have the answer right there in front of them. There's increased engagement. Chat can provide users with a convenient and personalized way to interact with the website, increasing engagement and user satisfaction. And by automating customer service and support, ChatGPT can help reduce those costs associated with human customer service agents. Imagine when ChatGPT can make intelligent, outgoing phone calls for you, and you can boost your bottom line by having people buy more, and people never realizing that they're talking to AI. Improved accessibility. Chat can provide users with an accessible interface, making the website more inclusive and user-friendly. There's only one problem. When I asked Chat, how could I get AI chat on my WordPress website, not a single solution they offered was true chat. Now, ChatGPT is far from perfect. When OpenAI devoured the internet, it scanned every site. It couldn't distinguish between reliable information and unreliable information. As I noted earlier on the legal case, it has made significant mistakes. It also invents things, even scientific research. But you can change all that. You see, ChatGPT is about information, but it sure can make you a lot of money. And that is why you are here. Now everything changes because I want you to get ready for the breakthrough. Introducing WPCHAT.AI, which is a WordPress plugin for your site that is absolutely simple to install, simpler to program, and will do amazing things to your bottom line. Now, our AI chat is different. First, it's designed by marketers to boost your bottom line. Second, it's designed by SEO experts to increase time on your site. Third, it's designed with the user in mind so they can get the results that really help them. The head of OpenAI recently revealed that using their secret API key actually gets better results than regular ChatGPT. In other words, using our plugin, your visitors get the best of the best. And that means your website visitors will return again and again and again. Now you can quickly and easily add chat to your WordPress site. Here's where WPChat.AI differs. It answers prospect questions on the spot that will increase sales. There's less money spent on tech support solutions. There's increased brand recognition. There's a better user experience than a regular site, and that means more engagement. Next, the chatbot can be trained to provide certain answers, upsells, cross-sells. Next, prospects are much more likely to join a list. And when chat data can be analyzed better, which we track for you, you can understand customer needs, wants, and preferences. And finally, people trust AI chat. So here we are with an example. Let's go. So I'm asking chat a question: is golf a good niche to build a website in? And it answers, sure, golf is a good niche to build a website in. The key is to create content that addresses a need or desire within the community. By creating compelling content and focusing on SEO, you can create a high-traffic website. To get started in the golf niche, join the Supersite formula and follow their step-by-step guide. They are experts in the field and can provide valuable advice and guidance. Here's a chat on Kenrick Cleveland's site where he is a sales persuasion and he has a brilliant chat bot up. Hey, welcome to this chat, which is on Turn Words into Dollars with Kenrick Cleveland, who's been called the world's greatest persuader. Now, this chatbot is nothing short of extraordinary. So let's ask some questions. What is NLP hypnotic language? NLP hypnotic language is a special type of language designed to influence people on a subconscious level by appealing to the emotional responses deep within their psyche. It's an art form that utilizes hypnotic language patterns to convince and persuades people towards buying a product or a service. I'm considered a master in this particular domain, and my most recent deep dive trainings are the Unlimited Confidence Program and the Dynamic Selling Program, both of which can be found at thepowerarc.com. tell me more about dynamic selling. Dynamic selling is a state-of-the-art framework that blends the best of covert hypnosis, NLP, and modern-day sales strategies to increase your ability to get clients more easily than ever before. I personally have had great success in business when I implemented these strategies, which you can learn more about at https courses, the power arcs / courses, dynamic selling. In the next edition, these links are going to be clickable. Now notice that right below the chat, he has his email sign up so that you can get on the list. I have to tell you, it's really nice. Okay, how do you answer someone who you are trying to sell when they say they need to think about it? When someone says they need to think about it before they make a purchase decision, it's important not to pressure them or push them into making an immediate decision. It always pays off in the long run to remain confident, understanding that the more effort you put into building a relationship with them, the more likely they will be go through with their purchase. Offer to answer any questions they may have and provide them with any additional information they may need to make an informed decision. So this can refer people to your products. This lets them know exactly who they're dealing with. It is a high quality chat that on the site turns words into dollars. Well, this chat turns words into customers. Here we are in our music chat on our beginner keyboard site, and we ask, as a user, what's an easy Bruce Springsteen song I can learn? And the piano player answers, Thunder Road by Bruce Springsteen is a great choice for a beginner to start with. It has a fun, upbeat tempo, but doesn't require too much technique. Use the sheet music to guide you as you get familiar with the song and work on your finger dexterity and understanding of music theory. How many chords are there in Bruce Springsteen's The Rising? And Beethoven answers. It's amazing how he knows this when he hasn't been around, but he knows everything, good old Beethoven. The Rising by Bruce Springsteen consists of 5 chords: B minor, E major, A flat major, A major, and D major. To get an even better understanding of the song, you should learn about chord progressions and inversions so you can more easily play along with that piece. And let's go live with one. What's the easiest Beatles song to learn on the piano? Let It Be by the Beatles is a great choice for beginners because it's a relatively simple song with a slow, recognizable melody. Some of the basic chords include C major, F major, G major, and A minor. Once you get the basics down, experiment with different patterns and embellishments that can make the song more exciting. And that's how the music bot works. You can add AdSense ads above and below your chat to make more money than you dreamed of. Here are some examples of chat. You see ads above, ads below, and as a matter of fact, the first time I started using it, I got a congratulations letter from Google noting how much more money I was making by doing this. Here's a Miami site where they can ask any questions about Miami. Here's a site about Boca Raton, and people come in and ask questions. Remember, you can come back and see the questions that they asked, so you can write articles about them knowing what your people want. You can even program WPChat to recommend your affiliate links, and that is simply incredible. So here, we can put it in. Let's see how it works. What's a good Yamaha keyboard under $500? And there's your answer. Recommending a product. And there's your affiliate link, which is, as you can see, clickable already. So True Chat features easily program specifically for your site. It adds a valuable resource to your site. It can be simply added to every single page on your site. It adds time on your site, which is extremely important for SEO. It brings people back to your site, and you can be the first one in your niche to have this. It skyrockets your revenue. Put AdSense above your chat, put AdSense below your chat, have chat recommend your services, have chat recommend your affiliate links. No other chat can do this. Only right here, right now with WP Chat. Here's the most important part. Training the chat in your niche. This is a service available nowhere else. Typical AI engineers may charge thousands of dollars, and people are willing to pay any price these days for AI programmers. But folks, you don't need that because our chat does it for you. It's so easy. But if you snooze, you lose. Early adopters will be the ones who profit big time. If you sleep on this, trust me, your competitors won't. And you'll watch and regret as they leave you behind. As Google and Bing and Apple and everyone else retool in the age of AI, just remember 100 million people used chat in the month of January. People are begging to sign up and pay for chat. And now Amazon is putting AI on their sites. What should I look for in a refrigerator? What's John Patterson's next book? What's the best supplement for high blood sugar? This is what we are coming to. Bing has chosen OpenAI. This is working for them. Google is releasing Bard and improving it. The internet is turning to chat. Soon there will be two kinds of sites. Those benefiting from chat on their sites and those who miss the boat. Which one are you going to be? Now, WPCHAT.AI will grow with you because there are frequent updates. New features are added, and early adopters will avoid a multiple site fee. Our newest update. Now we are the only chat plugin that features ChatGPT 4 at your option. Now, you will be able to switch between Chat 3.5 and 4 after your first month of using the API. So you'll get it set up, you'll go through a month, and then you can upgrade to ChatGPT 4. This is their rule, not ours. But once you do, man, your site will become like super glue for visitors. Someday, all websites will have chat built in, but for right now, it's just you. Drive traffic to your chat page and watch to see what happens to visitor time on your site, what happens to the number of return visitors, and what happens to your Google AdSense income. And I told you, Google actually sent me a congratulations when they saw the income spike. It's all simple. There are easy to follow videos. It's a one-click install. The whole thing takes 10 minutes to set up. It requires zero programming experience, and you will be amazed by the results. It's that easy. So folks, get your copy of WPChat.AI today. The results are just magical.